So we're going to show you how to turn off the gas and water to your heater. So first the gas. Mike's going to show you where to turn the gas off. Right there. Or you could turn it off at the thermostat. That's off. And we're going to go to the top of the tank. And we're going to close the main shutoff to the water heater. Now that's going to close the water pressure off to the water heater. And then we can put a hose on it. If you have a garden hose, you run it all the way to the outside. And you're going to relieve the pressure. And it's a good idea to turn a faucet on inside the house on the hot side, and that'll let air inside the water heater so it can drain. And it's always a good idea to pull your hose all the way out. A lot of people like to wind it up. It won't drain as quick, so you want to run that all the way that way. Now if this doesn't work and the water shutoff doesn't shut the water off, it's broken, then you have to turn the main off in front of the house. So Mike, let's go look for the main. And usually it's near an outside faucet in front, or right in front near the side of the house. That's not here. That's the front door. Look behind the bush, not there. Alright, Mike found it. There it is down there. So he's going to shut the main off.
These like to break off, so be careful. Don't over tighten it.
Yes, don't over tighten. Then you crack the faucet open, and that relieves the pressure. That's your regulator right there. Usually that's a good way to find where the shutoff is. And the gas meter, which we're not going to turn off today because everything's fine, but you have your shutoff right down there. And that's how you shut your water off for the whole house. And it's just draining. That's just residual water. And in this location, it's on the side of the house toward the front.